Alright, this is what y'all have been waiting for. The negative degree cold start in the 2011 GMC Acadia. Is she gonna start? Probably not, but we'll give it a try. Is that cracked? Come on. Oh my God, yes, it started. Oh, that was a little slow, but I don't care. Alright guys, let me get this fob off and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, here we are. It is -1 outside. I'm surprised this thing started as good as it did today. So yeah, we're gonna let it run for a little while, let it warm up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.